Kepe kiri haste seramna ni bagai khorang ni mani haste ni tabuni hapang. Kiri haste seramna ni bagai khorang ni mani haste ni tabuni hapang. Neji ni tal engri thangka abuni ulfano haste ni nai muthang bede ni shimi jengai. Juda club kebangma motha amsani lokorong ni coba subai kefe kiri haste seramna ni imangno bai thang seramna ni bagai yapri shalai tongo. Haste ni kebangma thayano rider sayati ke fekjanai mani baniya khainarok police rong ni samung kebel engfano baniya khainarok laithangnai sal rong ni slai tesha komi baikha grak shala bubag rakor agulini bujong nogoro 470 kg heroin manka hatibo bini rang engka khok neji rasai laithangnai July talo ambasa thanani sakthanmai fekjanai mani romani tei afro romjang mani kabangma fekjani mani rok dorban nok ni dagi mangbai afro sogui simani hini saka dig Gaurav Chakraborty.
Okay, sir.
Actually, this contraband drug was seized in the month of July in Dholai district, particularly from by the PS staff of Ambassa PS. And after obtaining court order, today we are destroying. Actually, we have already destroyed nearly 470 gram of brown sugar, and its present market value is above 20 lakh. And this attempt, it will continue. We will definitely continue this to save the younger generation of our state.
Haste ni tabuni hapang shikla hodate haste ni lokorono banjirina bagino je samang mutarok yapre na haga aba finance halabo omba hakino obian khlajana hini kok sawi khnarika.